Hi everyone, and welcome back to The Secret to Natural Beauty. In today's video, we'll be talking about some of the best natural skincare tips that you can start using today to get beautiful, glowing skin. Tip 1. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential for healthy skin. It helps flush out toxins and keeps your skin looking plump and radiant. Tip 2. Use natural ingredients. Many store-bought skincare products contain harsh chemicals that can be damaging to your skin. Instead, opt for natural ingredients like aloe vera, coconut oil, and honey, which can help moisturize and nourish your skin. Tip 3. Get plenty of rest. A lack of sleep can lead to dull, tired-looking skin. Make sure you're getting at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to help your skin look its best. Tip 4. Protect your skin from the sun. Exposure to the sun's harmful UV rays can lead to premature aging and skin damage. Make sure to use a natural sunscreen and wear protective clothing when you're out in the sun. Tip 5. Practice self-care. Stress can take a toll on your skin, so make sure to take time for yourself and practice self-care. This could mean taking a relaxing bath, doing some yoga, or simply taking a few minutes each day to meditate. By following these natural skincare tips, you can help your skin look and feel its best. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.